बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Welcome to another exciting video. Today we are going to learn very important tips that will help you to improve your English. Before going to advance my video, please subscribe my channel. Number one is practice. When you are going to learn English, you have to practice again and again. Practice play a very important role because it will help you to improve your English. You can practice again and again. You will become a consistent to learn English. As you know that practice makes a man perfect. Perfection will come after practice. So if you want to become a good listener or speaker or reader or writer, you have to make up practice. Number two, listening. Listening is very important to learn English. When you are going to learn English, listening and speaking, the most important is listening. Listening play very important in learning process of English. So listening, you can learn more than 50% English. When you able to listen, when you understand the message of other person, you can respond. Then you can think in your mind. Number three, read aloud. When you are reading a book, newspaper or other literature books, you should read aloud so that you may learn English quickly. Reading aloud, you will learn vocabulary, new kinds of words, and most important, fluency and pronunciation. Aloud reading, your proficiency will increase. Number four, make friends. Definitely you have many friends, but you have to shortlist those friends who speak English. Make a short list of those friends who are like-minded and want to learn English. They will help you to improve your English. So making a friends, they will help you to improve your English. You have many friends, you have to shortlist these friends who want to learn English. They will help to improve your English and boost your English skills and abilities. Learn common sayings and short sentences. You can learn English through common sayings and short sentences, and you can ask the questions everyone who is belong to you. For example, you can ask as where you are going, what are you doing, what is your name, where you come from, in which class do you read. Such a kind of sentences will help you to improve your English. Number 6, speak with confidence. Speaking with confidence will help you to improve your English. Speak as other people are blind and deaf. You have to speak confidently, so may you learn English very quickly. Last but not least, get feedback. Get feedback is very important. Feedback will help you to improve your English listening, speaking, reading and writing skill. Through feedback, you can get new kinds of words. Through feedback, you can get new guideline from others. They will help you to improve your English. If it is helpful video, please subscribe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.